Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. On this video, we're doing Blood Orange IPA pulled pork. Now let's get going. So to get going, we're gonna get our new Rec Tec RT700 fired up, 250 degrees, let that come to temp. In the meantime, we got a nice pulled pork butt that we're gonna hit with a honey mustard slather and then coat it with some rub, your favorite rub. This one just happens to be Rocky's rub from Slow and Sear. I got some of the stuff and it's great stuff to use. We'll get that nice and coated. We'll get it on. All right, so our pulled pork hit about 165. What we're gonna do, we're gonna be using some Latitude 33. This is a Blood Orange IPA. It's probably one of my favorite IPAs out there. I love the flavor of that orange. We'll go ahead and get this coated to braise the rest of the way until we hit internal temp about 195, 200, or when it's nice and probe tender. I can't talk today. All right guys, our pork is done. Took about 11 and a half hours and smells incredible. So I have it still in the pan here. I let it rest for about an hour. What I am going to do is move this over to another pan because there's a lot of juice in here. We want to save that juice. It's got that beer and the pork juice in there. We want to use that as to help coat the meat a little bit. So I'll get this switched over, move this to the side. You can smell that IPA. I love that smell. All right, at this point, let's just go ahead and pull. Bone comes out nice and easy. Pork is nice and tender. Again, just smells incredible. It's just coming apart. I can see all that juice in there. Got some beautiful color on that. I mean, this is just beautiful. Go ahead and take some of that beer braise with the pork fat. Get that coated. All right, so there we have it. Nice Blood Orange IPA pulled pork. Let's go ahead and grab a little piece of this. It smells incredible, man. You really get that IPA. So there you have it. Some nice IPA pulled pork, little Blood Orange pulled pork. Gotta wash it down with some Blood Orange IPA. Again, this is Latitude 33 Blood Orange IPA. I found this actually, where did I find this at? I guess our local Sprouts. We call it Sprouts. It's like a organic type food place, a grocery store. But I'm sure you can find this just about any grocery store. There's other blood IPAs out there, Blood Orange IPAs, I should say. So give this a try. This would be great over some eggs for breakfast. This is where I got the idea from. Some grits, some pulled pork, some eggs. It's my breakfast. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next round.